In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to do split screen on your iPad. To do a split screen guys, you have to open any browser or any application first of all which supports split screen. Now you have to tap on the three dot at the top in the center, tap on it, and now you will see here three options or two options: split view or slide over. Just tap on split view, and now you can choose any other application with split. So this is how basically now you can see that now you can manage two applications at the same time on the left and right. And yeah, this is how you can do it guys. Like if you want to make some notes from the browser, you can do that guys, but while browsing you can search for anything, and on the right you can make a note from the browser itself. So yeah, this is how guys you can do it. So yeah, subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye.